Gustong-gusto mo mag-exercise pero hindi mo magawa. Here are 6 practical tips you can do to kickstart your workout routine. Practical tip number 1, set a goal. Ano ba ang goal mo? Ba't gusto mo mag-exercise? Are you in for fat loss or are you in for muscle building? Practical tip number 2, choose an exercise na kaya mong gawin. At syempre, mas maganda kung kaya mo nang gawin, nag-e-enjoy ka pa. Syempre, hindi naman porket nakikita mo sa iba, nagagawa nila, kaya mo na rin gawin instantly. Practical tip number 3, i-prepare mo na ahead of time yung mga gamit na kakailanganin mo pag mag-workout ka. For example, if you plan to work out early in the morning, the night before, ayusin mo na yung workout clothes mo, yung equipment mo, lahat. Para pagdating sa umaga is nandyan na yan, ready, and wala ka na excuse na hindi mag-exercise. Practical tip number 4, make sure na bago ka mag-exercise ay meron kang sapat na tulog. Mahirap mag-exercise kung ikaw ay inaantok or puyat kasi hindi mo ma-execute ng maayos yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Practical tip number 5, kailangan ma-build natin ang routine. And one way to build that routine is to set a specific time in the day kung kailan mo kayang mag-exercise.